Welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government to review subjects of developmental works of Panchayats, Zilla Panchayat, RDA and PWD. Process to be completed by December. Assembly takes note of rag-picker children in Margao getting addicted to consumption of Whitener. Chief Minister assures inquiry. Prudent had exposed the shocking visuals of addict children. "32 people charred to death after fire breaks out in coach of the Delhi-Tamil Nadu Express. Short circuit is suspected to have caused fire. Ganesh Raj Narvekar's ban could be reduced. GCA asks Ganesh Raj and parents to apologize. GCA declares monthly pension scheme for 25 former Ranji cricketers. Now the news in detail. Government will review and re-specify the subjects of developmental works to the Panchayats, Zilla Panchayat, RDA and PWD. Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar assured the House that the process will be completed by end of December. The move is intended towards avoiding duplication of works and confusion between these four arms of the government. Sange MLA Subhash Faldesai had demanded that funds allotted to Zilla Panchayats aren't sufficient to undertake developmental works.
Zilla Panchayat asa, to member asa, he is heading 4 to 5 panchayats, wherein he has got to cater the needs of around 32 जाऊन बाकीचे 28 32 अशा पंचायत वार्ड्स असतात. एक एक पंचायतीचे 3-3 परत बाकीचे वार्ड असतात. इतक्या प्रमाणात आम्ही जर त्यांना फक्त 5 लाख वर्साक काढून दिले जर जाय जाल्यार त्यांना खंयच्याच पंचायतीन कसलेच काम करपाक मेळना. जिल्हा पंचायतीच्या सदस्यांक खर्च करपाक खूप कमी रक्कम मेळटा. ह्या मताशी हांव सहमत आसा. ते वाडोवंकूय जाय हे म्हजें मत आसा. ते वाडयता आसतना कामाचें रिपिटेशन जावंक जायना. पंचायतीनूय केले म्हणून दाखोवंक जायना, जिल्हा पंचायतीनूय केले म्हणून दाखोवंक जायना, आरडीएन केले म्हणून दाखोवंक जायना. हाची काळजी घेवपा खातीर काम डिलिंक्ड करून सेपरेट कामां अशी तांकां अलॉट करची पडटली. गव्हर्नमेंट त्या विशयाचेर आसा आणि येणाऱ्या काळात पीडब्ल्यूडी, आरडीए, पंचायत, जिल्हा पंचायत हांकां कामां विशय वेगळे दिवचे पडटले. ते आमी करूया.
म्हाका इतकेच विचारपाचें आसा, हे डुप्लिकेशन जे जाता म्हणटात ते गोंय राज्य बारीक आसा. थंय पीडब्ल्यूडी आसा, थंय पंचायत आसा आणि जिल्हा पंचायत
आणि आरडीए.
आमचे राज्य सद्या जिल्ले येते खंयच्याय व्हडल्या राज्याच्या मानान आसा अशे अर्दे लोकसंख्येनय आणि जिओग्राफिकल एरियान. तेन्ना हे जे कितें करपाचें आसा ते जाता तितले बेगीन ताका डेडलायन कितें दवरतले तुमी? सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स.
स्पीकर सर, राज्य ल्हान आसा म्हणून तांकां कामां कमी मेळटात आणि म्हणून तेच काम परत दाखयलें वता.
हांव म्हणटा तुमी अभ्यास करता म्हणटात, सजेशन्स आयल्या काय ना, पूण हेका कितें तरी डेडलायन दवरूंक जाय काय ना? तुमी ह्या वर्साच्या अखेरीक करतले काय 6 म्हयन्या भितर करतले, 2 म्हयन्या भितर करतले ते सांगात सभागृहाक.
ह्या वर्षाच्या अखेरपर्यंत बाय डिसेंबर एंड वी शुड बी एबल टू फायनलाइज दॅट. करूया आमी.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, Prudent Media.
State Assembly has taken note of Prudent's report on rag-picker children in Margao getting addicted to consumption of Whitener. Chief Minister has assured inquiry in the case. Prudent had exposed these shocking visuals of addict children on Thursday. The issue was raised by Fatauda MLA Vijay Sardesai, quoting Prudent during 0 hour on Monday.
Rampant illegal use of white ink whiteners as a mode of addiction or intoxication by street children and downtrodden within the age group of 7 to 5 on the streets of Margao, which has been telecast on Prudent TV on Thursday. It also signifies that there is a presence of a organized racket which is involved in basically creating drug addicts and drug peddlers. In Margao, we have information that there is a rickshaw which comes with street children and dumps them in Margao. Then they become beggars. Afternoon they are taken for lunch. So there is an existence of an organized racket, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, in a lighter vein, गेल्या 7 वर्षा मडगांव असले सगळे गजाली इलिगॅलिटी सगळे जमा आले. कारण पुलिसिंग जे सिरियसली जायसले जाताले ते जायना असले. खंयच्यानूय प्रेशर आयले की सोड. मोती डोंगर म्हणलो की ताका सोड. पुलिसूच जातले नासले. अशी एटिट्यूड तयार जाली. गजाल चुकीची आसा. हांव इतलेंच सांगता की आय इन्व्हेस्टिगेट व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग. पण ताका ते एडिक्शन कशें येता म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द केमिकल
ते व्हाईटनर असतात पळय व्हाईटनर पितात ते समजत वास घेतात
वॉट एव्हर इज कंपाऊंड एकटो गाटा करून अर्दी बाटली पियेतालो. म्हाका पयलीं समजलो इतले टॉनिक हो एकदम आपल्या आंगान कितें घातला
वास घेतात ते
रे तेच सांगता. आमच्या IITन एकदा हॉस्टेला
पयर प्रुडंट टीव्हीचेर सारकें दाखयलां
ना पळयला.
The children that I am mentioning are between 7 to 15 सारकी भुरगीं.
Hey, हांवें कितें क्लोरोफॉर्म आउटपुट खबर आसा तुका जाल्यार सांग हांव पळयतां. I'll take it.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
32 people were charred to death after fire broke in the coach of the Chennai-bound Delhi-Tamil Nadu Express on Monday. Short circuit is suspected to have caused fire. The railway has announced an enhanced ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees to the kin of each passenger who died in the mishap and 1 lakh rupees for the injured.
Fire broke at 4:14 a.m. The mishap occurred between Nellore and Vediyapalem railway stations on Vijayawada-Gudar section of Vijayawada division. The train was just over a kilometer away from Nellore station when flames leapt out of the coach. A passenger pulled a chain and halted the train. The coach had 72 passengers in all. There was no damage to the rest of the superfast train. Police arrived on the spot within a few minutes and started rescue operations. Fire tenders were pressed into service, but the coach burnt to a crisp within no time. The fire was put out by 5:20 in the morning.
आंध्र प्रदेश में नेलोर स्टेशन के पास एक दुखद हादसा हुआ. इस हादसे में 12622 नई दिल्ली चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का एक डिब्बा में आग लग गया. ये डिब्बा इंजन से 20वीं पोजीशन में था, S11 स्लीपर क्लास का. जैसी आग की खबर वहाँ एक गेटमैन को लगी, उसने नोटिस किया आग को, तो उसने डिप्टी SS को नेलोर स्टेशन के सूचित किया और नेलोर स्टेशन ने के डिप्टी SS ने गाड़ी को रोकने की कोशिश की.
The Railways has announced an enhanced ex gratia of rupees 5 lakhs to the kin of each passenger who died in the mishap. Normal train traffic on Nellore-Gudar section was restored by 8:30 a.m. and all trains on the section were said to be running on schedule. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.